JR Automation designs, builds, and integrates advanced automation solutions for customers all over the world. We have extensive experience in a range of assembly solutions, from standalone operator-assisted stations to large, fully automated assembly lines. From design to build, we can help you integrate ergonomic tools for assembly automation. We provide a unique single-source solution for complete integration of physical assets and data information, offering greater speed, flexibility, and efficiencies towards achieving Industry 4.0 visions. Let JR Automation help you implement custom automation tooling for your production.